Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did this sleek ponytail with a braid and these two bangs. So if you're interested, continue watching. So today I'm going to be working on my cousin's hair, so shout out to her. We're going to be doing this ponytail that you guys seen previously. So what I'm going to do first is start off by parting out her bangs so I have it out my way. And then I'm going to go ahead and comb up her hair into a ponytail to see how high or low we want to do it. And once I find that out, I'm going to start molding her hair. So when doing ponytails, I like molding the ponytail in sections because I find that it is more sleek, it lays flatter. That's just my opinion. So I always make sure my client's hair is already fully blow dried and straightened, and then I go ahead and start molding. So what I do is I part out a section and then I spray it with got2b free spray. And once I've sprayed it, I go ahead and I comb it through to make sure there's no bumps or lumps, anything like that. And then I use my blow dryer and dry it. And I don't fully dry it, but I dry it enough where if I was to comb it, it won't be too hard. So I'm going to do that in sections for her entire head. So once I finish slicking up her entire head, I'm going to go ahead and remove the hairband that I previously had tied in her hair. And I'm just going to comb through basically around where the hair wasn't tied, because you're going to see that it's leaving a little lump. So you want to make sure it's all combed out nice and slick. Your hands could have rubbed through it. And then I'm going to go ahead and basically put the hair tie back on. So now her hair is nice and smooth and we can go to the ponytail part. So what I'm doing now is I'm just braiding her hair, and then I'm going to put a black elastic on the end. I didn't add any braiding here because I'm not doing an extended ponytail. So we just left it like this, and then I'm going in with some red bundles to match her hair, and we're gonna sew this ponytail on. So this is basically an invisible ponytail. I'm just wrapping it around and sewing it at the same time until I reach to the top. Now once I've sewn that last piece around, I'm just gonna cut off the extra thread. I went ahead and I blow dried the hair a bit, and now I'm just taking a piece from the back to use as my wrap. So I'm gonna comb it out, make sure it's nice and smooth so that when I wrap it around, it's very smooth, as you can see. And then I'm gonna go in with my freeze spray and just spray it for some hold. Now that that is done, I would just put some product in her hair. I'm pretty sure it was some Dax, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start braiding her ponytail. Because this was an invisible ponytail where there's still a braid, it was harder to braid at the top, but I'm literally just trying to do a regular 3-strand braid. So at the top it's gonna look like I'm kind of doing something else, but I'm just trying to make sure I have all the hair from the back coming towards the front. But as I get to the end, you will see it's literally a 3-strand regular braid. And I didn't braid it tight, I braided it pretty loosely because I will be stretching it out to give it that nice fluffy effect. And for the end, I'm just using my flat iron and I'm just giving it one little curl to give it like a more soft effect. Like, I thought it was super cute. So I just curled the end, and now I'm gonna focus on her bangs. So she is gonna have 2 bangs, and I'm going to add 2 tracks in each bang just to give it more length and more volume, because the front of her hair was breaking. So we just want to add some volume, we wanted to add some length, and then we're gonna go ahead and curl it. So I didn't show me doing the opposite side, but I basically did the same thing that I did on this side. So now that I've added the tracks, I'm just going in with my Paris hair wax stick to lay down her flyaways, and then I'm going in with my flat iron to straighten the hair, and then I'm just going to give it a drop curl, as you can see. Once I've curled her bangs, I just went through, combed them, kind of like placed them how I wanted them to look, and that was basically it. I then went in with my shine spray from Argan Oil and I sprayed her hair, and then of course I went in with my olive oil sheen, and that was just my finishing spray. So this is basically how the hairstyle looks. I was loving it. It's a super cute braid. So anytime you guys have an invisible ponytail, just remember that you can always put a little braid in to give it a different look if you guys are tired of that straight look. But I thought this ponytail was super cute, especially with the bangs. It gave it a different look as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, let me know how you guys feel about this hairstyle. I thought it was cute. Let me know if you guys think it was cute. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, all that good stuff. I'll be back with another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something from it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.